Window blinds are great because they allow you to control how much privacy and how much light you let into a room. The problem is, how do you clean them and clean them easily? They do make special pads and cleaners that reach in and get each and every slat, but they cost like $5 to $10 and even more for some models. But you can make one easily enough if you have food tongs, just simple everyday kitchen tongs. Just take a sponge and use scissors to cut it. 2 pads slightly wider than the end of the tong. Then just lash them on with a rubber band. That's all you need. Then dip it into some nice warm water. You can use cleanser too, but I found warm water works just as well. And then it's simply a matter of grabbing hold of the slat with the tongs and just wiping. It doesn't take very much pressure. You're just wiping off dust and dirt. It's really not caked on very well. It's just a buildup that gets circulated through the air and it settles on these slats. You can see after just doing 4 or 5 slats, how much dirt's come off. You see that? Both of them. And then you just rinse it and you can come back, and of course you want to do both sides from top to bottom. If you do this at least twice a year, be surprised how clean your blinds will be.